Pilipinas!
Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, sa inyong matagalinang adlawon just to join this event, this very momentous event. Something unique that we celebrate our 88th araw ng Davao. This is a very special moment for everyone.
Today, we made a history that the people will never forget! Today is the day when the world will never forget who we stand for as Davaoenos! Isang malaking hiyaw! Pauwiin si Tatay Digong! And who are we standing for?
Tapos puso po natin ginagawa to, walang